Hey, devil! Stop imposing cigarettes on children! Quit that! To impose is a wonderful C1 level verb, and is frequently followed by on or upon. That despicable man imposed cigarettes on children. But what does it mean? Let's try to figure it out. Norwegian government has imposed very high taxes on cigarettes. And for good. But what does it mean, though? Actually, it means that high taxes were forced upon cigarettes in Norway. Norwegians were forced to accept the new tobacco reform. What do you think? Was it fair to impose high taxes on cigarettes? Let me know in the comments, and of course, write your own example with impose. Such a beautiful word.